Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the iterator. So first of all, what is the iterator? The iterator is used to print the values from the array list, or it is just like the for each loop, but it is different. So here I'm gonna create the array list. Here is the array list of type integer, and el is equal to new, and here is the integer. So now here I'm gonna import the library, and now here I'm gonna add the values in this array list. Here is the 5, and I'm gonna repeat this. It is 6, it is 7, it is 8. So now I'm gonna print the values using the iterator. First of all, we need to apply the iterator on this array list. So write the iterator, and then we need to write the type of the data is the integer, and then its object, and then we need to write the equal, and then after the equal we need to write the array list name, then dot, and then apply the iterator on the array list. Here is the semicolon. So now this iterator is apply on this array list, and the type of the data is the integer. So now here we need to import the library. Here is iterator java.util.operator, and now print the values using the function it.next. Here is sysout, and here is it.next. So it print the values on the screen if the value is exist. So it.next print the first value, then it print the second, then third, then fourth. For this we need to apply the while loop, and in which we need to apply the condition when the values are finished, so it stop. So here we need to write it.hasNext. So hasNext function apply the condition on it when the value is exist, so it print the value on the screen. So here you can see that it print all the values. This while loop only check the value is exist or not, then this loop will run and print the values. So iterator is just a strategy to print the values and extract the values from the array list, and it is also used for other operations.